this episode of Trying Not to Sink, we say goodbye to Nassau. We cross over to Chub Cay, where Lynn takes advantage of a windy day. We cross the clearest and smoothest water we've ever seen, then anchor off the coast of Bimini.
This is Nassau Haven Marina in Nassau, and the poop deck's right above it, right there, which is a pretty famous place in its heyday. I'm pretty sure it was before Atlantis was built, but it's still pretty cool. And I think I'm the first person to do their sailing sticker in that bar, but I think it has to evolve, and it has. So when we first came in here, we took a turn around this dock, came in here, and the first thing we saw was that. And Ed was like, oh geez, because you don't know what's underneath the water here. But it's about 9 feet deep that way, so he's going to pull out this way when we leave. And not that way. You got plenty of room to the side?
Yeah.
These boats coming at you. That's Atlantis. The place is beautiful. I think they suck up a lot of the tourism in the area, which is kind of a shame. So if you ever get here, try to look downtown too, because there's a lot of cute stuff there too. Now this cruise ship that's coming in takes up most of the channel on the entrance, so that's why I think they have harbor control. So we're just chilling back till that big fat baby gets in. This is Harbor Marina, and it's right before the two bridges. We stayed at Nassau Yacht Haven. We think we're going to check this one out next time. Note to self.
We are leaving the harbor, or just about to anyway, here in Nassau, and it's there's places you can anchor here, but I do not recommend it. Apparently in Nassau, they never heard of a no-wake zone, and they really don't care which side they pass through on. So no matter where you are, there'll be wakes unless you're protected by other boats, and they just zoom on past. And so other than that, I mean, we liked our stay here. It's just I would not anchor here. And we are. This boat is passing the Nassau Harbor Club heading east. Okay. We are going to Chub Cay right now. We're going to shoot across. It's only about a 40-mile run. It should take us about 4 hours.
Right, the police boat on 09. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
A lot of radio traffic, anyway. And that's we're going to spend the night there and head on off to Bimini. So it looks like we have good weather. There's virtually no wind. And, well, we're in the harbor, so I can't tell the waves yet, but it should be 1-footers out there. We'll see.
We did say goodbye to 2 of our crew members, Chris and Jerry.
Yes, we did. This is the first time so far on this trip it's been just the 2 of us.
Yes, although we will miss them.
Yeah, knowing they grabbed that stern line today. And but we will catch up with them soon. Yep. And, yeah, we're looking forward to the rest of the adventure.
Yep, and Roger out. Here we go.
Roger out.
bathroom floor here. She's wiggling this way, going that way. So the anchor's that way. I believe the anchor's this way. Okay, watch your depth behind you for what's behind you. She's pulling now. She's pulling now. She's pulling now. It's going straight out, up and down. So I don't know if it's snug.
Okay, no, well, at least now I can see.
I think you're set. So you want... So over there's the entrance to Brown's Marina and the other marinas that are down there. The weather just so happens to be perfect for us to anchor out on the west side of North Bimini. So we're here for the night, and it's our last night. And we're going to head to Fort Lauderdale to pick up Cleo tomorrow. And it's beautiful here. It's really nice being anchored here, except for the boats that pass by that don't know about or don't even give a crap about no wake when you're all relaxed. So you get a little shook up by that. But other than that, it's pretty sweet. And thank God the beach stopped playing the crappy music. All right. Hi guys, we're going to be at the Annapolis Boat Show this Saturday, October 5th. We're going to be checking out all the cool boats in the morning, and then we're going to be checking out the town later on. We're going to post where we're at real time on Facebook. So if you are there, let's meet up. Get a drink.
Roger out.
Roger out, baby.